What is it?
Carrot or tomato, boys?
Boys and girls, what is it?
Carrot and tomato.
Carrot. Choco, 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 choco. What is it? Tomato. Everybody, tomato.
Tomato.
Is this tomato, boys and girls? Is this tomato big or small?
Small.
Very good. Is this tomato, boys and girls, big or small?
Small.
It's a small tomato. Teacher Dani, Teacher Thais, boys and girls, let's count the tomatoes. How?
How many? Let's count.
Everybody.
How many?
Oh, let me get
Teacher
all
Lu, how many?
How many tomatoes?
How many?
Everybody.
How many?
Let's count.
1, 2. Gabriel, let's count. 3.
He is not very good. Let's count again. Let's count again the tomato. Everybody.
How many? How many?
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7. Yes, everybody. 7 tomatoes. Many, lots of tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. Where are the tomatoes? Where are the tomatoes? In my hands. Here?
hands.
Is it in my hands? In my hands. Yeah?
Hands.
Let's see. Let's go. Yeah! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Where are the tomatoes?
Here.
Are the tomatoes in my hands or in my hair?
Hands.
In my hands. Okay. Teacher, maybe now we can have the project.
Smell. 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 Look, say Teacher Lu, smell. 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 Gabriel, smell. Say smell.
Do it again.
Say smell. Smell.
Let's see.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Smell.
It's good.
Smell.
Let's
Smell.
Let's
Smell.
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 This
Gabriel, smell.
It's so
Smell.
good. Now let's sing the
Very
song,
good.
teacher, before the project.
Smell.
Let's sing the song.
What
1,
is
2,
it?
3.
What